Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand, the commercial faucets, and let me give the dimension for the measurements. So when we're looking closer at details, this height for the units is adjustable, and also they having different type of the waters. You can change the switchers to adjust it. And overall sizes for the top, it's about like 12 inches. The center between the two knobs, it's about like 6 inches. This knob you can connect with either hot waters or cold water on whatever size you want. There's no request on it. When you turn around the units, we see the back hinge. You can adjust the different positions to match with your sink. Let me give you the measurement for the two holes. Maximum between the two hose diameters, it's about like 9 inches. The closest sizes, it will be 3 inches. And also the manufacturer gives you the two covers. You can put right here to connect with your sink. Thank you for watching these videos. And this is all detailed information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.